Pero mas title biography. So, hindi masyado dun sa mga romance. Ganyan. Naiyak ako. Ayun.
Okay na.
Okay na yun.
Dito actually, para sa Hopeless Romantic is under Viva Psycho. It's owned by Viva Psycho. Did I say it right? Psycho?
Yeah.
Publishing company ng Viva Corporation.
Hindi ito Wattpad.
It was never on Wattpad,
Hindi po
right?
siya sa Wattpad nag-start.
Never.
Ngayon, kung sa bagay, sa title pa lang, alam mo na kaagad na parang kiklik ito, especially with the younger generation.
Yeah.
Ngayon, gusto ko malaman kay Marcelo. Marcelo, did you finish a course bago ka naging writer?
Yes po. Advertising po ako. Graduate ko. PUP-2011.
Hindi mo gusto maraming pera sa advertising kaysa pagsusulat?
Sa umpisa po, nag-work po ako sa graphic artist, sa social media. Pero parang nagustuhan ko po yung pagsusulat. So, naging okay naman po. Okay naman.
Ayan. Si Tela may question, who is a romantic person himself.
Sige.
Glenn Rigondola. Hi, Glenn. Who loves J.D.
Correct. Correct ko from day one. Anyway, ano ko ba ito? Kamay ko si Inigo, kaya ako pakilig kay Julia. Pansin ko. Ano ba? Kung isa na kayong dalawa?
How do you describe this? Man, my heart is beating fast. I don't know how to answer this. She's actually the closest, not with James, with you guys. She's one of the closest, she's the closest girl, friend, same friend. Pero seryoso, she's actually the person that I'm able to talk to about anything. Sinabi ko sa interview kanina na kailangan yung kalove team mo, kailangan best friend mo. Dahil kailangan trust yung isa't isa. Because you're working together, you're helping each other because you have one meaning, and that's to be with each other, just to be successful together. And dapat talaga kailangan din yung trust.
Pero if given a chance ba, ang love team lang gusto mo kay Julia? Kasi diba, she turned 18, so more or less meron ng freedom.
Julia?
Wow, the
Na-awkward siya. Kawawa naman.
Selos pa. Sure.
No, at this point, Inigo and I are really, really good friends. I think that's a good start. We have no idea where this friendship is going to take us in the future. But more than anything, I'm just glad that I have a friend in Inigo. I think that's what matters now.
So parang Inigo, itong movie na to, it's something to look back to dahil kay Julia.
Definitely, it's our first movie together, and you know, sinabi ko nung debut ni Julia, nung bata ako sinasabi sa akin ni Teclao, I hope you and my niece will be paired up when you're older. So, talagang parang it's a dream come true that it's actually happening. I mean, it's Julia Barreto, she's one of the Barretos, it's a dream to be paired up with her. So, I'm super happy with whatever's happening right now.
Diba? Parang lang, Claudine at saka Fiona. Ikaw, Julia, how do you react to sa sinabi ni Inigo?
Which one? Parang ako na nagsagot sa tanong
Hindi
sa kanya kasi It's actually crazy because contract signing noon when I first met Inigo, that was upstairs, the new ELJ. And then it was faculty signing, it was me. And then that was 4 years ago, and I had just met Inigo, and then we became really good friends from there. And then he'd be in America, and he'd be talking to me all the way from America, and he'd tell me na parang, I really want to work with you. When I become an actor, I really want to work with you. And I've always believed in Inigo, and I was always there for him. And then now that I'm seeing Inigo live his dream, I'm just so happy. And I'm glad to be able to work with him. Finally! Pageant.
Sa dalawa naman, the love team ay support na. Joke! JD, ano yan? Kasi sa tingin ng fans, parang kayo na hindi kayo. Na parang hindi kayo na kayo. Ano ba talaga? Kasi after this time, is a one big question mark. So despite that, yung love team is talagang Ano ba?
We've said it before, na friends lang talaga kami. And we're both really focused on our careers, on our work, and we're happy just being friends.
Nance.
Yeah, like what James said,
Okay lang.
we're just really friends. But then, there's chemistry and we don't know where it's coming from. Like, whenever like people ask us kung bakit nag-work yung JD, like where the chemistry is coming from, we keep saying that, hindi namin alam kung saan. I don't know, maybe it just works.
Okay. Sana wala pa rin sawa factor, di ba?
No naman po, definitely.
Oo, with all the fans na umaasa na medyo talaga they work together ng marami pang projects. I don't think